What up, YouTube? You can't stop trading and investing with your boy James E. Woo! Tuesday, man. I love the start of the weeks. Today I want to talk about AITX. AITX, man. One of my subscribers actually brought this to my attention, which is the beauty about having a community of people that love talking about stocks. So I want to get into that real quick, but before I do that, man, please click that like button. Please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that likes to research and analyze anything that I find interesting in the stock market, and I like to share that with anybody who's willing to listen. So that being said, let's just get right into it, shall we? So AITX, it was a stock that was actually brought to my attention by one of my subscribers. So you feel me? Appreciate it. I appreciate all of you. You feel me? And as I've said before, man, every time someone suggests something through the comments, I always make sure I go look into it, man. You know, you never know what you're gonna find, man. So AITX, I had noticed that it was becoming an OTC stock, and it was starting to gear up to this breakout area over here in the fives, which was about right here, in this breakout area in the high fours, right here where this line is, and it closed breaking that. So that interested me because the next resistance wasn't until until almost the 7 cent area. And I really wanted to play it. I really wanted to play it to right here. This is the next resistance in the 686. And my goal was to play it right there. So, just doing a little homework into it, just to see what this company is about. As you can see, January 16th, this was a couple days ago. Jumping artificial intelligence technology solutions to pop further amid a recent purchase agreement with European company. What could stop people from robotization? I can't even fucking say that word. Robotization of every industry through artificial intelligence. What's going to stop that? Only elites who don't like progress are stopping the futuristic ambition of the capitalistic economies. Artificial intelligence technology solution has recently been growing sharply as the Romanian-based company Civitas Group has agreed to purchase AITX products and service. On Friday, AITX shares jumped 44% on 322 million volume. While most of the popular OTC stocks have faced silent declines, there are many fields to insert AI and get a lot of revenue by maintaining the services and adding some updates. Good times are still more to come in decades as well, while not many industries are eager to apply for AI. So, basically artificial intelligence right here being purchased by a robotics company. And Civitas Group, you could get into it, right here, located in Romania as part of an armored vehicle service. And they have robotic assistant devices received. So obviously they're working on robotics in some type of defense service. So, they winded up purchasing this company, AITV. It was brought to my attention. And then, like I said, man, it has to meet my qualifications as far as chart patterns go. And so especially in OTCs, I do like OTC breakouts if there is some type of good catalyst behind it. And there obviously was a good catalyst behind it. So when it broke here and it started gapping up in the morning, as you can see right here, I bought at 535 right at the market open. And then we instantly had a squeeze. But I winded up exiting and took a little less than a 10% gain. I want to say it was about a 9.3% gain on my position, which is nice for a day trade. Usually I want to capture anywhere between 8 to 15% on a day trade. So for a day trade, for me personally, that was nice. I didn't really necessarily want to plan on holding this thing for a long time because I never really got too in-depth into what's going on, other than just that quick little research I did, and then the chart pattern met my qualifications. And just the fact that, as you can see in the previous day, because it goes a lot on technicals with the OTCs, that when it had a pop here and it grinded and then closed and then a gap up here and then had a nice push, which is pretty much the same thing happened in this day. Pop, consolidated but grinded up and then gapped up and then had a nice push. So I kind of anticipated a push maybe up to the 6-7 area. But when I got close, as you can see right here, I exited at 584 and 582. When I got close to that 6, I exited because I was getting close to a 10% profit, which is great for a day trade for me personally, because I'm talking about me, myself, and I understand the way I trade, and I understand my comfort levels in the market when it comes to my profits and my losses. So I was very comfortable with that profit. Like I said, it was about a 9.3% profit, which was great. Just a quick way to capitalize. OTC multi-day breakouts are actually pretty good day trade. I haven't really seen a lot of them lately. I kind of deviated away from OTCs a while ago because I was struggling with them. Because I was pretty much just buying any type of breakout in the beginning stages. But now I finally found my comfortability with them. Just again, through data, collecting data on myself and understanding what's going on in the markets and the type of catalyst that could actually push this thing, and also the history of the stock itself and what it's capable of doing. I seen a nice gradual climb in the intraday, and then I seen a nice gradual climb on the daily, about to break new highs. So it was very interesting. And then when we had the gap up solidified the base over the breakout, I said, okay, cool. Maybe I could capture a nice 10, 20% move. So once we're up, 10%, I decided to sell it and take a quick profit. I bought about about $1,000 worth. So, okay, I could have swore it was 93, but okay, 9.15. So a little over 9% gain on a $1,000 position. That's actually really good. So very happy with AITX. I actually was going to hold on to it longer. And I'll get into the reason why later when I make my other video. And that reason is, you guys probably know, I'm a big fan of TSMP, and TSMP started breaking out. And as you guys know, if you watch my previous videos, if you haven't watched any of my videos on TSMP, please go and do so. But if you haven't watched them, I've been waiting for this breakout, and it finally broke out. And that stock I've been studying beautifully for a while. I've been following it for a while. So I just, exit my position, take a beautiful 9% gain, and go buy the position that I've been waiting for. And I'm up nicely on that position as well, and I will make a video about that too. AITX, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about that. If any of you guys are involved in that company, if any of you guys traded that, any of you guys profited off of it on that morning squeeze, let me know. Again, if you made it this far, man, please click that like button. Please subscribe. You Can't Stop Mafia is a mindset movement, meaning never stop yourself, never stop your progress, never stop your education, especially in finance. Having multiple streams of income is an amazing thing, and the stock market is a place where you could do that. So AITX, a 9% gain is a beautiful day trade, and I'm going to maintain it on my watch because it has the potential. And if a breakout happens again, I am starting to see the pattern within that pattern, that I could potentially capture another 10 to 20% on another breakout if it breaks over the 7s. So that's going to be it for today, guys. AITX is going to remain on my watch list. They had a great news. I want to do a little bit more homework into them to see what's next. So that's going to be it for now. Till next time, I'll keep you guys updated as much as possible. I'm out. Peace.